my name is Lindsay Roberts. I apologize for my voice. I'm a bit sick right now, so I'm just going to try to muscle through this as quickly as possible. Adobe Photoshop CS6 wasn't originally optimized for Retina. They've since released an update for that, but I just wanted to try and show you guys what it looked like without. So hopefully you can see this, but up here, all the stuff here, the titles here, here, and here, all these icons here, and then even some of the graphics in here, it's all pixelized. And that's because, again, this particular version of Photoshop isn't optimized for the Retina display. Now, Retina displays are going to be the future, and people are turning to Scalar Vector Graphics, which they have their own problems, but there's still always going to be images. I mean, when we're talking about photographs and things like that, you can't just turn that over to Scalar Vector Graphic, and even if you can, technically, it's going to be really heavy on the web page, and it defeats the purpose. So there's some solutions for this. The first one is CSS sprites, and Retina.js is a JavaScript plugin that can, basically automatically, my favorite word, load a higher resolution image by appending this at 2x modifier at the end of your image, so it'll go ahead and load that on Retina displays. The second one is Retina images, and it's kind of the same, except it's definitely more of a server-sided approach. It requires, a server, PHP, modifications to your htaccess file, and some other things, but basically it'll load up a higher resolution image to Retina displays. What's really nice about this is it also has a fallback, so if JavaScript isn't working or something like that, it'll still go ahead and serve up an image by default, so you're not stuck without anything. Now, Scalar Vector Graphics can still be a bit heavy on the web page, depending on what you're doing. If you have like a little arrow, it might not be so bad, but if you have like a vector character, we might be running into some issues. And SVGO is a node-based tool that can optimize your vector images. But if you do have a little arrow, something I highly recommend and what I use pretty frequently are iconic fonts. And my favorite one of which is Font Awesome. And I just want to kind of show you guys real quick. Font Awesome has basically little icons for pretty much anything you could ever possibly want. And the nice thing is that they can scale up to any size, you can color them, and they're pretty versatile overall. They've got some examples here, of their sizes. They have, right here, they have like a little menu, they have some bullets, a pull quote, spinning ones, rotated icons, stacked icons. So there's really a lot of options that you can use with this. And then here's some bootstrap examples. So Font Awesome is probably my favorite one. I really like it when people give me tools that I can use, so I hope these really helped you. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed.